Welcome to TechSphere Podcast. We're going to be diving deep into
7 pieces of AI news.
7 pieces of AI news that we announced in October.
Right.
Buckle up, folks, because Google has been busy.
October was a whirlwind. Yeah, a whirlwind of AI innovation. I'm excited to break down these announcements and see how they might change your life.
Thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share with friends.
Yes.
All right, let's get started. AI is everywhere these days, right? From helping us navigate with Google Maps to suggesting products we might like
Absolutely.
when we're shopping online.
Yep.
It's even changing the face of scientific research.
It is.
So these announcements from Google aren't just about cool tech. They're really offering a glimpse into how we'll work, learn, and explore in the very near future.
Yeah, these announcements show how AI is becoming woven into the fabric of our lives.
Okay, let's unpack this, starting with something you probably use all the time, Google Maps.
Yeah.
Imagine you're planning a day out with friends, but you're stuck for ideas. With this new AI upgrade to Google Maps, you can simply ask, "Hey Maps, what are some fun things to do with friends near me?"
Right.
Max, powered by a new AI called Gemini, will understand your location, your preferences, and even the time of day
Wow.
to suggest personalized activities that you and your friends would actually enjoy. No more endless scrolling through generic lists.
That's fantastic. I hate doing that.
I know it's the worst.
Yeah, and Maps can now give you quick answers about places based on all the reviews that are out there.
Oh, that's cool.
Pretty handy when you don't have time to read through tons of comments yourself.
For sure.
Plus, the AI is being used to make your drive less stressful.
Oh, nice.
You can explore along your route before you even leave home,
Oh, wow.
seeing points of interest, restaurants, or anything else that might catch your eye. It's like having a virtual tour guide right there in your pocket.
So cool. Now let's switch gears and talk about NotebookLM.
Okay.
Let's say you're researching a complex topic. Let's say the history of AI. You've got articles, PDFs, even some YouTube lectures.
Right.
It's a lot to digest.
It really is.
Well, NotebookLM is like having a super smart research assistant.
Oh, okay.
You feed it all your information and it analyzes everything, pulling out the key insights and connecting the dots for you. Author Stephen Johnson has been using it and says it's helped him discover connections he never would have seen otherwise. Think about how that could help you in your own work or research.
I mean, that sounds amazing.
Right.
Yeah, NotebookLM can analyze all sorts of content, PDFs, Google Docs, websites, and even YouTube videos.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Here's where it gets really interesting for all the shopaholics out there.
Oh.
Google Shopping is using AI to personalize the shopping experience. Have you ever spent way too long researching a product, trying to figure out if it's worth your money?
All the time.
I know, me too.
Yeah.
Well, with this new AI, when you're researching a product, you get AI-generated briefs that give you the key information you need to make a decision. No more digging through tons of reviews and specs.
It's like having a virtual shopping assistant that summarizes product details, highlights important features, and even compares different options for you.
Right.
It takes a lot of the guesswork out of online shopping. Plus, there are AI-powered recommendations and personalized deal pages to help you find the products you're looking for at the lowest prices.
I love that.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's talk about Google search.
Yeah.
We all use Google to find information,
Of course.
but AI is expanding the types of questions we can ask in incredible ways. I mean, we've already seen AI revolutionize search with features like image search, voice search,
Yes.
and even humming a tune to find a song, right?
Absolutely.
But now it's going even further. Imagine this. You're at the aquarium.
Okay.
You see a school of fish swimming together, and you're curious why they're doing that. You can now literally record a video of the fish using the Google app.
Oh, wow.
Ask why are they swimming together?
Yeah.
And AI will analyze the video and give you relevant information.
That's incredible.
It really is.
It's like having a conversation with search instead of just typing in keywords.
I love that.
Yeah.
And speaking of having a conversation, let's move on to Chromebooks.
Okay.
All Chromebooks will now come with the Gemini app, which brings a whole bunch of AI-powered features to these devices.
Nice.
Chromebook Plus laptops, in particular, are getting some really cool new features. Live Translate, Help Me Write, and a super handy recorder app that can transcribe your meetings and lectures.
Yeah, these new AI-powered tools are going to make Chromebooks even more useful, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who uses their Chromebook for everyday tasks.
I think so too. And my favorite new feature has to be the welcome recap. Imagine logging back into your Chromebook after being away and getting a quick summary of where you left off in your work.
Oh, wow.
Any important notifications you might have missed?
Yeah.
And even suggestions for what to tackle next.
Yeah.
It's like having a personal assistant that helps you stay organized and on top of things.
That would be so helpful.
Right.
Right.
Let's shift gears and talk about something really important. AI in the public sector. Google is investing $15 million in AI training grants for U.S. government workers.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, these grants will support the Partnership for Public Service and Innovate U.S.
Okay.
These are two organizations that are leading the charge in training government workers to use AI responsibly.
The potential benefits of AI in the public sector are enormous. Think about things like improved cybersecurity, more efficient data analysis, and enhanced citizen services. AI could help government agencies operate more effectively and better serve the public.
I agree. And now for our final piece of AI news, we have something really inspiring to celebrate.
Oh,
In the Nobel Prize recognition given to 3 Google AI pioneers.
This is a huge deal. It really highlights the impact that these individuals have had on the field of AI.
Absolutely. First, we have Jeff Hinton, a Google alum.
Right?
He received the Nobel Prize in Physics for his pioneering work in neural networks.
Okay.
Neural networks are the foundation of many modern AI systems. And Hinton's contributions have been instrumental in advancing the field to where it is today.
His work really laid the groundwork for the development of deep learning, which has revolutionized areas like image recognition, natural language processing, and machine translation.
Wow.
His contributions have had a major impact on the technologies we use every day.
For sure. And then we have Demis Hassabis and John Jumper from Google DeepMind. They received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for their groundbreaking work with AlphaFold 2.
Wow. Okay.
AlphaFold 2 is an AI system that can accurately predict the structures of almost all known proteins.
So cool.
This has huge implications for scientific discovery.
That's incredible, yeah. AlphaFold 2 is being used by millions of researchers all over the globe.
Right.
It's accelerating scientific breakthroughs in fields like medicine and disease treatment. It really shows the power of AI to advance scientific understanding and help us address some of the world's most pressing challenges.
I love that this Nobel Prize recognition is a celebration of how AI can benefit humanity.
It shows that AI isn't just about algorithms and data, it's about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and using that knowledge to make the world a better place.
Yeah, it's amazing to see how these AI developments are already being used to solve real-world problems and make progress in so many areas.
It really does feel like we're on the edge of a whole new era, where AI is just a normal part of how we live and work.
Yeah.
It's exciting, but also a little bit scary, don't you think? AI has the potential to change so much about our world.
AI is a powerful tool, and like any powerful tool,
Right.
we need to be careful about how we develop and use it.
Yeah.
It needs to reflect our values as a society.
That's why I think it's so great that Google is committed to developing AI responsibly. It's not just about building cool new gadgets. It's about making sure those gadgets are used for good.
It's about making the world a better place, which is really what we saw in those AI training grants for the public sector and the work with AlphaFold 2, which has the potential to revolutionize scientific research. Yeah, so we've covered a lot of ground here,
We have.
from AI-powered Google Maps to AI winning Nobel Prizes.
Yeah.
What does all of this mean for our listeners?
Right.
What's the big takeaway from all these announcements?
The biggest takeaway for me is that AI isn't some far-off futuristic concept anymore. It's here, it's changing rapidly,
Yeah.
and it's already affecting nearly every part of our lives.
Whether we're searching for information, shopping online, finding our way around, or even tackling big scientific questions, AI is becoming an essential tool.
Absolutely. And as AI keeps getting smarter, we can expect to see even more game-changing applications that will shape the way we live, work, and interact with each other and the world around us.
It really is an amazing time to be alive and see all this happening. But it's also a time for us to be thoughtful and talk about how to develop and use AI responsibly.
The future of AI really is in our hands. We have the opportunity and responsibility to shape this technology in a way that benefits all of humanity.
That's a great point. It's easy to get caught up in all the amazing advancements. Yeah. But we need to make sure we're building a future where AI is used for good.
Exactly.
Yeah, it is a really exciting time to be alive and see all these developments, and I can't wait to see what comes next.
Me too. You know, maybe one of our listeners will be the next AI pioneer to win a Nobel Prize.
Anything is possible. But for now, I think we should encourage our listeners to explore these new AI tools we've talked about and see how they can use them in their own lives.
I agree. And don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences with us on social media.
Yeah,
We always love hearing from you.
absolutely. Your perspectives are so valuable as we all try to figure out how AI is going to fit into our world. Thanks again for joining us on this deep dive into the world of AI.
Yeah.
Until next time, keep exploring.
And remember, the future is powered by knowledge.
Thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share with friends.